Hi, David Morris here of Georgia Event Specialists. We are a few doors down from the Governor's Mansion on West Paces Ferry in Atlanta, Georgia. Just got finished doing a huge Christmas lighting install. The star on this tree is 3 foot by 3 foot. The meteor showers, there's 75 shooting stars. The lights around the entire front yard are 2 acres of lighting. We at Georgia Event Specialists would like to invite you to hire us for doing lighting installs for all your Christmas decorations. Give me a call at 404-308-5626. Thank you, Mark Stemke.